In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix NA, null, and zero values in Looker Studio. When you're building reports, you'll often run into missing or misleading values. Null or NA means no data was returned. A zero is an actual number, but it can still distort averages, conversion rates, or charts. Our goal is to make those values behave the way you expect, so your visuals and metrics are accurate and easy to read. Start by opening your Looker Studio report. Make sure you're in edit mode so you can adjust fields. Take a moment to identify which metrics or dimensions are causing issues in your charts. For example, maybe your sessions metric sometimes shows as null, or a text field like campaign has blanks that show up as NA. Next, click Add a Field to create a calculated field. You can do this from the data panel of a chart or within the data source. Give your new field a clear name that tells you what it fixes, like sessions clean or campaign clean, so it's easy to find later. This calculated field will act as a cleaned up version of the original, and you can use it anywhere you visualize data in the report. Now use the IFNULL or case function to replace problematic values. IFNULL is the simplest option when you only need to catch nulls. For a numeric metric that's sometimes missing, you might write IFNULL sessions 0. That tells Looker Studio to show 0 whenever sessions is null. For text fields, you can replace nulls with a label, such as IFNULL campaign unknown. When you need more control, use case. For example, to treat both null and 0 as 0, you could use case when sessions is null or sessions equals 0, then 0, else sessions end. If you want to hide zeros so they don't appear in averages or charts, convert them to null. Case when sessions equals 0, then null, else sessions end. For calculated rates, use case to avoid dividing by 0. Case when clicks is null, or impressions is null, or impressions equal 0, then null, else clicks. Impressions end. This ensures you never get errors or misleading infinite values. After you create the calculated field, use that cleaned field in your charts in place of the original to see the improvements. Keep your data types consistent, use clear naming and double check results to confirm they match your intent. That's it. By opening your report, adding a calculated field, and using IFNULL or case thoughtfully, you can transform messy NA, null, and 0 values into clean, reliable insights.